Good morning, dear children. Class 4, Subject Social Science, Unit number 1, Tamils around the world. And in this unit, we are going to look into session number 3, which is Myanmar and Mauritius. First one, we are going to see Myanmar. So already we have discussed that Myanmar is our neighboring country. Yes or no, children? Yes, it is located near to the West Bengal. So Myanmar is our neighboring country, and the religion which is followed in Myanmar is Buddhism, as we are following Christianity, Hinduism, Muslim. In Tamil Nadu, the Myanmar country is following the Buddhism. Next one, the cultural and trade relationship between Myanmar and Tamil Nadu is mainly through the sea. Yes, the relationship is existing between the Tamil Nadu and Myanmar over the years only through the sea. A great king who is called as a King Anvardhamansa is considered to be the founder of this country. Yes, King Anvardhamansa was considered to be the founder of this empire. He is one of the main reason for the development of this empire Myanmar. So King Anvardhamansa is considered to be the father of nation of the Myanmar. So one of the very important question, who is considered as a father of nation of the Myanmar? Yes, King Anvardhamansa is considered to be the father of nation of the Myanmar. There is also another important king of Myanmar is considered to be the King Kyan Sutta, who had a good relationship with the Chola kingdom. So King Kyan Sutta has a good relationship with the Tamil Nadu in the regions of Chola kingdom. Yes, during the years of 1850, the Tamil people have been moved to the Myanmar. Mainly the Tamil people have been working in the areas of agricultural fields. From 1850 onwards, Tamils have been moved to the areas of Myanmar and they are working in the agricultural fields. So there is a fight between the Burmese and Indians which led to the riots in the country. So the fight between the Burmese which led to the riots in the country. Riot in Tamil means Kalavaram, Sandai. So that is called as a riot. Because of this riot, most of the Tamil peoples have left the Myanmar and moved to the different parts of the world. I again repeat, riot in Tamil is called as a Kalavaram. Next one, there are lots and lots of Tamil Hindu temples are found in Myanmar, in which Mariamman, Murugan, Thirumal are considered to be the main gods. And in the images you are seeing the Ananta temple, and this Ananta temple is considered to be one of the famous temples of the Myanmar. So look into the pillar of Ananta temple. It is built in Dravidian style. So Dravidian, already we have discussed about Dravidian means Tamil style. So the upper part of the tower being made in North Indian style and remaining is built in the South Indian, which is nothing but a Dravidian style. So this temple is considered to be the one of the very famous temple of Myanmar. Next one, we are going to look upon Mauritius. So already I have told that Mauritius is an island. What is an island? An area which is covered by the 4 sides of water or all the sides of water. That area is called as an island. So Mauritius is an island which is located in an Indian Ocean. So who have developed the Myanmar? Yes, initially the France people have led to the development of the Mauritius in the initial days. So the French people have brought the Tamils to the Mauritius during the year of 1729 AD. So these Tamil peoples were taken to the Mauritius from the areas of Puducherry. Most of the peoples who are living in a Mauritius are found to be the peoples who are from the in and around the areas of Puducherry. And also these Tamil peoples who have moved to the areas of Puducherry have led to the development of Mauritius, and they also constructed many important buildings of the Mauritius. So in 1810 Mauritius was captured by English and they brought Indians to this island. So among the population, in which 10% of population are considered to be the Tamil peoples of India. Tamils have built many important buildings and museums as well as temples in Mauritius. So one of the most important notable building is a postal museum. The building which is located in Port Louis, and it was built by Tamil. So you are looking into the image of postal museum which is located in Mauritius, which is built by Tamils. So next one you are going to see upon the image of Mauritius currency, in which you have seen that at the top of the currency note, notice that it is written as 500 rubai. So in the countries of Singapore and Mauritius, so it has been written in the Tamil languages. So today we have seen about Myanmar and Mauritius, in which Mauritius is an island and Myanmar is our neighboring country. So the Tamil peoples have led to the development of both Myanmar and Mauritius, and they have played a very important role in the agricultural sector. They have built various temples, monuments and buildings. I hope you have cleared with this session. Meet you all in the next class, my dear children. Stay home and stay safe. Follow up the classes regularly, my dear children, and do the homeworks regularly, my dear young children. We'll meet you in the next class, which is nothing but a reunion. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, my dear children. Bye bye all.